All right, over here at the Toolbox Widget booth. Let's check it out.
So no matter which one you have, you still have 12 steel plates, 12 magnets, 12 steel plates, 12 magnets, and so on and so on. Each one of these has these guys in them, except the only difference is this one has a slightly smaller steel plate in it. So, and that's what's in each one if you want to feel the magnetic strength. The organizer down, yeah. This is a really thick rubber, so it's not a good representation. But feel that one right there on the metal. You can feel what each one's about. So this is a wrench set.
Okay.
These are socket sets: quarter socket, 3/8 socket, half socket, plier organizer, and then the screwdriver sets. So you order by the set. Each one holds 12, except the wrenches they hold 15. And the website's very influential. They're magnetic, and they have the orange stripe emission indicator. One thing they do, a lot of people don't understand, is the wrench version can connect to the screwdriver, can connect to the plier. They're universal. Okay. Same with sockets. Half drive can go to 3/8, can go to quarter, and then take a peek. So here's our. So we go by the drive size too, so it doesn't matter what it is. If it fits on the ratchet, it fits on our organizer. So again, I can go from a half to a 3/8 to a quarter, all in one run. And screwdrivers also hold ratchets and extensions. Can I close it? Yeah. The wrench versions. And screwdriver version. And lastly, plier versions. So it basically is just a simple way, but with the simplicity, it also comes with customization.